welcome from Luče, Slovenia. We are in our new town. We're going to be here for 2 weeks. Yeah, we're doing workaway, and we get to stay in this gorgeous place for free, just doing a little bit of work, and it's out of this world. You'll see. It's 100 times better in real life, though. I can't describe it. It's like the most beautiful. I'm speechless. I can't talk. It's so gorgeous. It's literally breathtaking. We cannot stop filming. We started to walk around the town and we got like, I don't know, just feet away from where we're staying because every turn, every new angle is just more beautiful than the last. It's so stunning. I can't believe we get to spend 2 weeks here. This is amazing. But let us show you around Luče a little bit, our new town. And yeah, definitely hit subscribe because we have a lot more videos coming from this town and lots of others in Europe. This is only the start of our 6-month trip in Europe, and the sun is coming out. How beautiful. Okay, bye.
Let's go now before someone finds out. Wash our hands of all this doubt and scratch out these letters from
Oh my God.
the world of our mistakes. Quick to go, slow to escape, 'cause we're scared things get better way too fast. Maybe all these lesser plans have just been lesson plans set to help us stand us straight. And maybe all the old things lead, 'cause we don't know what.
Harrison loves it.
I know letting go is hard and trusting it is harder, but oh, I'm keeping my eyes fixed on the stars, knowing love will get me far, and leaving gets me farther, and farther gets me closer to you. I'm ready now to give up on finding out all the answers to our doubts, 'cause I know they'll be answered when we're there. Let's set our minds on what's up, not what's behind. I don't wanna have to find out that we're still wondering and scared. Maybe all these lesser plans have just been lesson plans set to help us stand up straight. And maybe all the old things leave, 'cause we don't know what we need, and the choice isn't ours to make. So I'm leaving the past with my regards. I know letting go is hard and trusting it is harder, but oh, I'm keeping my eyes fixed on the stars, knowing love will get me far, and leaving gets me farther, and farther gets me closer to you. Let's finish what we started, darling. Father's not that far away. Don't let the world around us change our hearts on what we want to change. I feel it in your breath. It's even better than we're dreaming of, 'cause in the end, the only thing
The bells are ringing. It's 9 o'clock, and these bells would ring because back in the day, that would be the time when all the men or whoever, I guess, would come in from the forests, and they know it's time, it's sundown, time to come back home.
dreaming of, 'cause in the end, the only thing that counts is left to count on is love. Oh, so I'm leaving the past with my regards. I know letting go is hard and trusting it is harder, but oh, I'm keeping my eyes fixed on the stars, knowing love will get me far. Yeah, love will get me far. So oh, I'm leaving the past with my regards. I know letting go is hard and trusting it is harder, but oh, I'm keeping my eyes fixed on the stars, knowing love will get me far, and leaving gets me farther, and farther gets me closer to you. So oh, I'm keeping my eyes fixed on the stars, knowing love will get me far.
Hi, so we're ending our day here in Luče. We didn't do too much today. It was kind of a maintenance day. We had to go grocery shop and we actually had to register ourselves at the police station as guests. We did not actually do a workaway day today. It was just kind of settling in. And yeah, we just explored the town. It was so gorgeous. But tomorrow and the days following, we're gonna have even better footage. We're doing some amazing hikes. I cannot wait. But yeah, it was a really chill day today.
So the guy at the workaway, John, he actually made some bruschetta for me and he used some pizza sauce. And it's pizza sauce he makes himself. It's really good. And I can't wait to try it with the actual pizza that he makes. So that'll be cool.
He's known for his pizza making. So I think every Friday or something. I don't know, but all the time he makes his pizza, we're really stoked about it.
Yeah, so yeah, you guys already saw it. It's a really nice pizza oven, and it's all stone and authentic.
I don't know if we showed the pizza oven yet. I don't know if we took a tour yet.
We didn't?
I don't know.
We tried. We're gonna have to do a take.
We tried to do an MTV style tour, cribs. It didn't really work out, so we're gonna have to try again. But you should definitely keep watching because we're gonna show the inside of the place we're staying. It's so cool. So is this town and this country. It's amazing. A lot coming up. But yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
This is the story of a girl named Louise. I found her dancing on a mountaintop, tumbling through the streams. This is the corner of a street where we would meet and